Welcome back to another wonderful session. In the last two videos, we talked about creating a store, filling our bios, adding categories, products, and prices to our product. So this very video will explain how to make some proper editing on shipping, checkout, payment, and then we also look at the setting icon. Now the next thing I'm going to look at is shipping. Remember, I've looked at product categories. Now let's look at shipping. So click on shipping, and then the shipping charges is inactive. Okay, I'm going to highlight that. You can see. Let me go back. This is when I click on shipping. I have this is inactive, so I'll click that button to get it active. And then if you want to create a flat charging rate, you put the amount here. That is delivery to our delivery. When you purchasing of our item, delivery fee is a flat rate. You put it there. If you want to choose as percentage, you click on percentage and set the percentage you charge. You charge the amount for the shipping in percentage. That is percentage of the group of the goods that are being ordered from the store. And then where we have the applicable only order amount is lower than that is, you can set the value to 0 if you want to apply shipping charge on all the orders irrespective of cart amount. So that's what we're going to do here. And then for the shipping charges, you can give a note, probably like shipping within Lagos, we take about 2 to 3 days, 5 days, or thereabouts. So just give some details about the shipping charges note. So you can do that, and after that you are going to click on the save icon. So you can choose flat rate or you choose by percentage. That is how you can charge for your shipping, and then you click on the save icon. So the next is the checkout. I'll click on checkout. Let me work on checkout. Now in checkout, we have minimum order, we have form, we have settings, we have the user verification, we have the WhatsApp and the mobile number. So under the minimum order, do you want customers customers will not be able to place order if the amount is below the specified there. So our advice that you leave that place blank. Leave that that section blank. So let them order depending on their needs. They want to order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So don't put a limitation to that. All right. So after the minimum order, you click on form. This form will talk about the information you wish to gather when they are checking out. That is, after they are ordered, they are going to check out. What are those information that you think will be required? I'm sure you will need the name. You will need their email address. Probably you also need their address. You will need the address and the city and probably state and the country. You will need this for the checkout form. And when you are done, you click on save. This form is what will be displayed to the buyer when they're shopping out. So they will have to fill this before they can even be taken to their payment method. So they will fill this, and then it will also appear on their receipt, on their invoice, after they have completed their order. So you have to save this, and then we move further to settings. After form, we have settings. You click on settings, and let's see what comes up. So the checkout note. So a help note for customers from you. This will be shown above the place order. So what note do you want to drop with the customer, that is after they have checked out? Maybe thank you for shopping with us, this and that. So you can determine a note that will be displayed on the checkout. And then after you have typed that, you click on save. Click on save. Now let's go to user verification. The next section, user verification. I will click on WhatsApp. So there are ways, sometimes when they are ordering, they will be asked to input their phone number, and sometimes buyers sometimes can make errors when typing their phone numbers. They can make errors while typing their phone numbers. So I'm going to talk on that very soon. Now I'm on user verification on WhatsApp. So leave it this way, and don't go to your WhatsApp number. It's not recommended. Leave it the way it is. That is, you're going to receive your order on your VAPA official number. You're going to receive you're going to receive your order on this particular VAPA official number. So you click on save. Don't tamper with that. Leave it as default. The next thing, you're going to click on the mobile number. This help your buyer to confirm their phone number before they make their final checkout. Now it is very important. You have the status is active. We have the OTP verification. I would advise you put it on OTP verification, so that in case they are even making mistakes in their number, maybe they have taken a number, one of the digits on their number, their phone number, they've interchanged it to another digit. With the help of this OTP verification, they will be notified. They will be notified of the next step they are taking when they are ordering. So this OTP will help them for confirmation. When they want to order, a code will be sent to their WhatsApp number, to the number they are using. A code will be sent, and they will have to authenticate with that code to confirm that their number is real. And it will also help you as a seller to track orders, because if a fake number has been given in by mistake, and then you start looking for who is this person that ordered, you try calling, and then you are not able to reach, that will be a problem. So with this OTP verification, it will help it will help buyers and sellers to confirm to confirm their orders properly before their final checkout. So you must leave it active. If it is disabled, then you must activate it, and then you click on save. Click on save. Now the next aspect we are going to move at is the payment method. The payment method. So I'm going to click on payment. So we have different ways in which you can accept payment. It's either you pay on delivery. You are allowed pay on delivery by default. You can see pay later is enabled. Pay later is enabled. That is payment on delivery. That is the meaning of pay later. And we also have some other merchant sites that that can be used to accept payments. We have Stripe, we have Razorpay, and we have Paystack. Paystack is generally used by Nigerians. Africa, especially in Nigeria, to accept payment. But by default, you must set any of these, and then pay later is enabled already. Let's edit. Let's click on edit and see what is there. Let's click on edit. Okay, I've clicked on edit now. So the display name, you can decide to change it to payment or delivery, or you leave it as pay later, anyone, payment on delivery. And then description, or whatever I want to describe, want to put in the description, though is optional. You can put that, and then you click on save. You click on save. Now another way of accepting payment is the pay stack. Another way of accepting payment is the pay stack method. This will help your customers to pay through their bank card, the debit card, the ATM card, generally known as ATM card. This will enable them to pay directly, and then it goes into your pay stack, account. And from your pay stack account, you can withdraw directly to your bank account. So if you don't have a pay stack account, you can go to www.paystack.com to create an account with them. And I also teach you how to link the paystack account to your e-commerce store. So I've clicked on paystack. I'm going to enable it. So this is the display name, paystack, description, card, bank account, USD. You can leave it that way. And then the publishable key and the secret key, you will have this on your paystack account. So if you have created a paystack account, you're going to have a publishable key. You are going to have a secret key. So you need to copy the publishable key and the secret key to these portions here on Vipa. You need to paste the keys in these particular columns before you can start receiving payment with paystack. I will explain more on that later. When you're done, you click on save. So because I have not filled this particular icon, I will not be able to complete the setup. So I will just skip that, and I'll move to the last section, which is settings. That is settings. So your store name, you put that here again. Mine is I think Shorunke Enterprises or Shorunke Multipurpose. And then your currency is Nigeria, and then you click on save. Good. So we have looked at the dashboard, we have looked at orders, we have looked at how to have products, we have looked at how to add categories, we have looked at shipping, we have looked at checkout, we have looked at payment, and we have looked at the settings. The badges is just to indicate maybe you have a new stock or these are old stocks. Now, make sure you always save any changes made to your store. You can always go back to edit from your dashboard the prices of your product. You can always go back to add prices. You can always go back to add products into categories at any time. You can always do that at any time. Now, the last thing I'm going to do on this tutorial is to click on Visit Store. So let me look at how my store looks like. Visit Store. And then the next video will explain how customers, we are going to visit our store as a customer, as if to take orders, and then you see how it looks like. So refresh, I'm going to refresh. All right, so this is my store show require multipurpose. I believe you can see that. We have the edges. These are the categories I've created: edges and edges, electronics, and wares. If I should click on edges, I'm going to have only items uploaded in edges. If I should click on electronics, I'm going to have icons only uploaded in electronics. The same thing to wares. But for the all product, it will list out all the products. To list out all the products in your store. I hope you are getting it. Good. So I'm going to end this tutorial here, and this is your home page. So if you have customized your logo properly, you have customized your bio properly, then you are going to see it the way you have set it. I'm sure you have enjoyed this video on how to create an e-commerce store. It is very, very, very easy. It is very, very easy. Please, if you have not subscribed to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so that when we have new videos coming up, new tutorials coming up, you will also be a beneficiary. Thank you.